With the issues in recruitment of helper in ICDS Center, once again, common people of the village has locked the door of Rongmala Poshim Duranta Para ICDS Center on Wednesday. ICDS Center helper Sormila Debarma was removed from the post, and new helper Kiranmala Debarma was given the post of helper of ICDS. Five years ago, Sormila Debarma was given the job of ICDS helper in Poshim Duranta village after her mother passed away. Likewise, Sormila Debarma has provided her land property to establish ICDS Center. However, on Wednesday, Sormila Debarma was removed from the helper job, and Kiranmala Debarma was given the job as a helper in ICDS Center by SMS committee members. However, Sormila Debarma was heartbroken because she was removed from her job even after she had provided land to build the ICDS Center in her property, which is why on the last Thursday, with the issues of recruitment in helper for ICDS Center, Sormila Debarma has locked the door of Rongmala Poshim Duranta Para ICDS Center in protest. Likewise, once again, with some issues in recruitment of helper for ICDS Center, common people of the village has locked the door of Rongmala Poshim Duranta Para ICDS Center on Wednesday.
Duranta Para Chini Dunyangwat Kaisa helper Kaisa songnai bos songi tongmani te Kaisa segmani awon keto Kaisa mairemo te Kaisa segmani afto sayano kolayo jeheti bonon runani mangnai
agi je songnai abo ta nong nai mong
je bo ketal mak ke bonyo school thangta
nong nai mong abo ta gorot sung talarok bokhui habul ne khana ka bo nor ka sajama
maya talabo khongman nang saimia
ganor jokhon tabo je agi songnai roi yang ganor ni tamana hajang nai nong ni je wan
chuk bisar obo manani kesan adoloto phuma khana ka talakhu maranai
talakhan rolai kenang
mo pa asa talan ri to na.
With the incident, the common people of Poshim Duranta Para are deeply saddened with the incident. Likewise, villagers have raised their voice demanding to give Sormila Debarma her rights, that is to give her job back. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.